Hey, at least you're saying the quiet part out loud, right? This guy here says, and question mark, we don't give a fuck what it says. It's meant for citizens. So what's he talking about? He's talking about the Constitution and due process. My friend here, now is 2025, said to him, according to the U.S. law, anyone in the U.S. gets due process. And 90210 told you exactly what he feels about U.S. law and the Constitution. We don't give a fuck what it says. It's meant for citizens. No, it's not meant for citizens. That's why you should give a fuck what it says, because it doesn't say due process is only for citizens. You might not give a fuck what it says, but the rest of us do. And Amendment 14, Section 1, clearly states, all persons born or naturalized in the United States and subject to the jurisdiction thereof are citizens of the United States and of the state wherein they reside. No state shall make or enforce any law which shall abridge the privileges or immunities of citizens of the United States. And here's where you need to pay attention, because even though you don't give a fuck what it says fucking matters, because the next part clearly tells you that due process does not just apply to citizens, it applies to any person. It says right here, nor shall any state deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process of law, nor deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws. Once again, within the same section of the same amendment, the founding fathers, the framers, used the term citizens to describe some people, and then changed their terminology, changed their wording to specifically say persons. Any person. No state, once again, shall deprive any person of life, liberty, or property without due process. But that's about as honest as you're going to get out of MAGA, right? We don't give a fuck what the Constitution says. It's meant for citizens. If it was meant for citizens, the framers would have said, citizens, you fucking imbecile. They specifically said person, not citizen. Antonin Scalia, one of the most far-right Supreme Court justices of all time, said, anybody present in the United States of America gets equal protection under the Constitution. Constitutional protections apply to any person present in the United States of America. So when it comes to not giving a fuck, we don't give a fuck what you say. We don't give a fuck what you think. We have laws and founding documents to set forth the laws of the land, no matter what the fuck you think.